Wait, have you ever seen monkeys playing hide and seek in a giant fruit garden? One sunny morning, 5 little monkeys arrived at a magical giant fruit garden.
Wow, look at all the fruit. Let's go.
The fruits were enormous. Strawberries, bananas, and grapes were bigger than the monkeys. Suddenly, one monkey had a fun idea.
Let's play hide and seek.
One monkey hid behind a giant strawberry. Another monkey hid inside a juicy watermelon. One cheeky monkey hid between giant bananas.
The counting monkey started searching. Found you, he laughed.
One by one, all the monkeys were found. After the game, the monkeys shared the delicious fruits.
And they promised to come back tomorrow for another fruity adventure.
If you enjoyed this fun monkey story, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing adventures.